light travels in a straight line. We know this because when we turn on a light, like our blue light, it goes straight. And if we turn on our red light, it's also straight. They don't all overtake each other.
Let me move.
There's 3 different lights all traveling in a straight line. But if you move one of them, light always continues to travel in a straight line.
The green, which is over here, isn't over the entire screen. It's just over here because the path of the light is facing this way. And the blue is over here because the path of the light is facing this way. And the red is right here because it's facing down and that way. So if we correct them again, and they're all facing just kind of... Hold on. Why isn't the green there?
It is. It's combining with the blue and the red.
Alright, so when you see when all the lights combine, they create one thing. So if we put our puppet, Robert, in there, we can see that he gets bigger when he's closer to the light. And see how he spreads out because the light travels in one direction, and when it gets bigger,
The shadow gets
bigger when he is close to the light, and he gets smaller when he's farther away. We create an umbra. Can you see the umbra?
Mm-hmm.
Go on to the side.
In the middle, and we know the umbra exists because it's the absence of light. There is no light there, but the penumbra is the gray part, or in this case, it's the blue, the green, and the red, and it has light in there. It's a partial shadow. There's light in the shadow.
Hola, Señor Blanco. Bonjour, Monsieur Blanc. Ciao. Chinois. So we're here to talk about
what the lyrics of our song means. The first verse says, "A wave to transfer energy, crests are high and troughs are low. The max displacement is the amplitude. Frequency can be high or low." The first line says, "A wave is a transfer of energy," which basically means
that a wave goes through a medium, causing it energy. And then the second verse is crests are high and troughs are low.
that describes the shape of a wave. The crest is the peak or the highest point of the wave, and the trough is the valley, or just basically the lowest.
And the third line is the max displacement is the amplitude,
which is just the distance between the crest and the trough, or the displacement.
Yes. And then the last line is frequency can be high or low. Frequency is how many waves it can go through an amount of time, and then by saying high or low is the number of it, so it would be in hertz.
That's the unit frequency.
Shalom! Aloha! So, now we're going to explain what our chorus means. Our chorus says, standing waves, music's made with standing waves, motionless medium on the node, big displacement on antinode, O, music's made with standing waves. A standing wave is a wave where the points on the wave do not move, they're stationary. The standing wave is also known as a stationary wave, and stationary waves are the only waves that are used to make musical notes.
The next ones are motionless medium on the node, big displacement on antinode. Node is where the spot of the medium is motionless, while the antinode is where the wave, or the displacement of the crest and the trough are the largest. And both antinode and node are, they're in a specific spot that does not move.